Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into a futuristic development that's poised to transform mental health care as we know it. Yes, I'm talking about hyper-realistic humanoid robots and their potential role in psychotherapy. Imagine walking into a therapy session where your counselor isn't exactly human. In the bustling city of Dalian, China, a factory is crafting humanoid robots that might just become your future therapists. Surrounded by drawings and parts of robots, these developers are working on something truly groundbreaking. These robots are not your typical machines. Equipped with advanced AI, they're being designed to recognize and express human emotions. Imagine a robot that can not only understand but also reciprocate feelings, making your therapy session more relatable and comforting. Why robots, you might ask? Well, the idea here is accessibility and customization. Mental health services are not always easy to access for everyone, and these robots could provide a consistent, judgment-free zone for therapy, tailored to individual needs. Especially in scenarios where human therapists are not available, these robots could step in to fill the gap. But how does this work? These robots are fitted with multiple sensors and motors that help mimic human expressions and movements. This technology enables them to engage in what feels like genuine emotional interactions, which are crucial in therapy. The potential applications are vast. Beyond psychotherapy, developers believe these emotional interactions could benefit various service fields, especially those tailored for children who might find robots less intimidating than adults. Now, I know this raises a lot of questions about the nature of therapy and the role of human touch in healing. Can robots truly replace human therapists? Maybe not completely, but they could be valuable as an additional resource, offering support where human professionals are in short supply. As we march towards a future where technology blurs the lines between human and machine, it's crucial to keep discussing and navigating the ethical landscapes of such innovations. How do you feel about the idea of robot therapists? Would you trust a machine with your mental health? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on how technology is reshaping our world. Catch you in the next video.